Hey guys, Jack50095 here, and today I am here with Kayla and Fluffy Lover. Say hi, guys. And today this is just gonna be a random trading video. And now, who's at my den? Ah, shoot, I forgot. No worries. Calm down. I just won't look at the Skype. Somehow. What? What happened? Oh. I got stuff on trade. Get a little ado. That sounded awkward. Yeah, I got rare ones and the old ones too. Swagger. Swaggin' all night. Swaggin' all night. Oh, you have a you have a rare cupcake hat? Oh my gosh. Oh, that looks fabulous. I want to trade for this. So yeah, guys, this is just gonna be a random trading video, and yeah, let's see how this goes. Cat ears. Oh, do I still have cat ears? Yeah. Oh shoot, I forgot. Hang on, I need to put a rare in there. Dude. Yeah? I don't have a blue worn blanket. It's mine first. I'm gonna trade for it first, woman. Well, I'm trading it first, woman. This is my trade, woman. Oh yeah, that's right. I need to go get your spike. Ugh. Okay. Back to what I was going to trade. Now time for a rare. Let's see how this comes out. If you want, I guess. Oh, sorry. I was talking to someone. I was talking to my. I got the beta slingshot. Oh yeah. Thank you, Taylor. I don't care. I already got the beta slingshot, baby. Oh yeah, that's beta. That's beta. Yeah. Oh my goodness, you can't see my. Okay, there you go. Bravo. Someone is at my den. It's really annoying. I don't know who it is. Yes. Don't copy my lines, woman. Don't. I'm serious. Wait, I'm trying. I can't click your trade. Okay, there we go. Oh my gosh, you have a beta orange mat? Oh wow, you have a lot of betas. This mineshaft is the most beta. Come to the Fluffy Lover Den immediately. Wait, what? Okay. Wait, hold on, Kayla, what now? Oh, I was like, wait, what? The Jammer Den? Go to the den, Kayla. No, the other. Oh my god, S. Just go to the Jammer 7-3. Just go to that girl's den, the one with the cupcake hat on it. Goodness. And now we shall have a trading party. She's right there. Haha. Really? Game edge. I need better stuff on trade. Even though I already have better stuff on trade, but okay. I have better stuff. I have a scary mask. It's actually, I don't even think those are beta anymore. Nope, those aren't beta anymore. Never mind. What? I don't know. Okay, those aren't beta, first of all. No, they aren't. They're coming out again. No, they're not. They're not beta. They're not worth anything. I don't know. I need to look. Let me look up what they're worth. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, we're back. Oh, sorry. Okay, anyway. So, trade me. Oh my gosh, you have a beta bronze draft thingy? Thingy? No, Taylor. Yeah, I know. Oops. I like how people are just looking up what they're worth. I don't have a spike yet. I need to go get one. Hang on. How many diamonds do I have? I only have one. She's a few. She's a few. It might take a few days or weeks or months to get you another rare spike. I don't know how to get one that easy. So I might have to get the good stuff to get it. So you'll have to wait a few weeks, days, or months. Don't judge me. Takes me that long to get one simple long rare spike. Or short. Oh, actually, I just need a rare pigtails, and pigtails. What? Trade me! Kayla, trade me! Got it right here, woman. What? Let me see, woman. Hey, guys, we're back. And now, well, that looks stupid. Okay, anyways. And now we are back again with Kayla and Fluffy Lover. Okay, now I just need to give you the link to that thingy. Ah, here it is. Highlight that link. Copy. Paste. Done. And this is what a golden lava glove is worth, kids. Was this answer useful? Yes. It was so useful. Yay. Oh, hey, I can edit. I don't want to edit, though. It says non-wear headdress. It says, oh, and they are worth and our headdresses. Puppy face. What? Oh, you were like laughing and I was like, what? Oh, I'll trade you. I just need to eat. I just need to find something fair for this. If I have anything. Oh, I have a Viking helmet. I just read the thing whenever it just says, but you have to add like. Also. Oh my gosh. You know I'm still recording, right? You're just like, oh. What? Yes, I got it. Yay! No, I did not stop recording. Of course I didn't. Oh, wrong Eminet. I just said wrong Eminet. Alright guys, so that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video of me, Kayla, and Fluffy Lover trading. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Bye!